Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by inspecting the thread and the kite bridle. Choose a line rated for the kite size and wind. Once done, trim any frays and coat the end with wax or a dab of glue to stiffen it. Then pass the threaded end through the kite attachment point, eyelet or loop, and add a swivel or snap. This prevents twist and makes later adjustments easier. Make sure the knot method you use matches the line material, because slippery line needs different knots. Next, you form the actual knot, choosing one appropriate for the thread. Slick braided line likes a triple surgeon's knot, monofilament takes an improved clinch, while braided dacron favors a bowline. Once tied, dress the knot by pulling each strand to seat turns neatly, then trim to about 1/4 inch tail to avoid slippage. After that, give a firm tug, feel how the load transfers. If the bridle geometry changes, adjust the bridle length so the kite will balance properly in flight. To finish, perform a controlled flight test in light wind and observe the kite's attitude. If it dives or stalls, shorten or lengthen the bridle incrementally. If the knot slips, cut and retie using glue, whipping, or heat seal on synthetic thread. This secures the tail end. Once stable, coil the line correctly and store spares. If problems persist, inspect attachment points for wear. Replacing a worn eyelet or swapping to a stronger swivel will often solve recurring issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.